Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. In today's video, we are going to make Swahili Pilau. This recipe doesn't require so much. So with me, I have pilau masala. I have all pilau spices. We have onions, garlic and ginger. We also have beef. You'll need cooking oil. You'll need some salt to taste. You'll need rice. For this recipe, I use 2 cups of basmati rice. I also have beef broth. You can use water if you don't have beef broth. You are not limited to the amount of spices to use or the number of spices. You can use several, but I chose to use just the pilau masala powder and the whole spices. So I'll start by frying the beef. Once it is golden brown, I'm going to add the spices, which include the onion, the pilau masala powder, the all spices, and the garlic and ginger. Also, you are not limited to what should start first. You can start with sauteing the onions, or you can start with frying the beef. Personally, I prefer starting with the beef so that it can get as golden as possible or as tender as possible. Once that is done, I've just added the onions. Then I'm going to saute that for about 2 minutes, then add the pilau masala and immediately add the all spices as well. Then fry for about 5 minutes. Once it is nicely done, I'm going to add the garlic and ginger that I grated earlier. I add garlic and ginger last so that it doesn't burn. So we are just going to give that a quick mix, then let it cook for about 2 minutes, then add our rice. I soaked the rice for about 20 minutes. At this point, you can add potatoes if you have. Personally, I didn't have, so I didn't add any. It's now time to add the rice. You can use any rice of your choice. You don't have to have basmati. But good quality rice gives good quality pilau. Very nice pilau. So if you're in a position to get a good rice, go with that. If not, use what you have. So here I've just mixed everything together, then we'll let it cook for a while. Remember to add salt to taste. At this point, everything is mixed nicely, so I'm just going to add in the beef broth. I used 4 cups because I used 2 cups of rice. So 4 cups will be good for the rice to cook nicely. So here we are just stirring everything together, making sure the salt is the right amount. Then we are going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. My lid broke, so I had to replace it with a metallic plate. It worked. So that's our pilau. It's ready to eat. It was so yummy. I love mine moist. I don't love the dry pilau, so if you want yours dry, you can let it cook for a while. But this was perfect for me. I served mine with some kachumbari, and yeah, it was good to go. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.